In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a full site backup using Updraftplus. Creating a backup of your website is an essential task that can save you from potential data loss due to server issues, hacking, or even simple user errors. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with a safeguarded copy of your entire site, giving you peace of mind and security. Let's dive right in. First, you need to have access to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, head to the sidebar where you'll find an option labeled Plugins. Hover over it, and from the drop-down that appears, select Add New. This is where you can search for new plugins to enhance the functionality and security of your site. Now, in the search box that appears on this page, type in Updraftplus. You'll want to look for the plugin officially titled Updraftplus WordPress Backup Plugin. It's a popular, reliable choice for creating backups and is used by countless websites across the globe. Once you've located it, you'll see a button that says Install Now. Click on it and wait for the installation process to complete. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Once Updraftplus is installed, that same button will now change to Activate. Click Activate, and you'll bring this powerful tool to life within your WordPress site. Successfully activating Updraftplus adds a new menu option under the Settings section in your WordPress dashboard, gently reminding you that your backup adventures are about to begin. Navigate to Settings and click on Updraftplus Backups. This takes you to the plugin's main interface. Here, the magic of backing up your site happens, and you'll find it straightforward to use. You'll notice a tab labeled Backup Restore. Click on this to open up your options for creating backups. In the Backup Restore tab, you're going to see a button that says Backup Now. When you're ready, go ahead and click on it. A pop-up window will appear. Now, pay attention. This part is crucial to ensure you capture everything you need in your backup. Make sure that both the options include your files in the backup and include your database in the backup are checked. This ensures you're grabbing a comprehensive backup of your entire site, files, database, and all. With these options selected, proceed with the backup process. The plugin will start compiling and saving a complete snapshot of your site. Depending on the size of your site, this might take a little time, so sit back and let Updraftplus do its job. And there you have it. A full site backup created using Updraftplus. With that complete, you've taken a significant step toward securing your online presence. Always remember to back up regularly and keep copies stored safely, and you'll be prepared for whatever comes your way. Thank you for watching, and happy backing up.